All shelves are not created equal. That's why Hobby Lobby has beautiful, functional shelf decor for just about every room in your home. Here are some of our favorite shelf styling tips. How do you make the most of your office space? Go for shelf decor that helps you stay organized and motivated. Wooden organizers and boxes keep your workspace clear and your daily essentials tidy. And decor with inspirational quotes will encourage you throughout the day. Once all of your office necessities have a place of their own, you'll be more than ready to tackle the workday. Cut down on kitchen clutter by storing your pantry staples in chic containers. Mixing finishes is a great way to add variety to your shelf decor, so try incorporating an array of metal baskets, ceramic containers, and wooden trays. At Hobby Lobby, you'll find so many storage options that save on counter space and complement your decor. When it comes to taming the chaos in your kiddos' room, soft and durable baskets work wonders. Our advice? Keep shelves low and stock them with fabric-lined crates for toys and clothes. Accessible storage means your little ones can take charge of cleaning up. After all, practical kids decor is about helping parents conquer the day, from getting ready to crafting together to playtime. Whether you're kicking off your morning or relaxing in the evening, a calm and orderly bathroom can have a big impact on your day. Coordinating jars and canisters keep your self-care routine organized and create a cohesive look. And you can capture a spa-like feel at home with soothing decor and an over-the-tub shelf. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.